Okay, you guys, so this is going to be a 2-day vlog of what I eat in a day. So this first one, I'm just going to make keto pizza, and we are just going to use that wheat and flaxseed meal tortilla. We're going to use that and put some homemade sauce on there, and then we are going to pop this in the oven. Of course, you know we're going to put cheese and loads of garlic powder, and like I said, pop this in the oven and enjoy. Now, I will say this one is high in points. This was 10 carbs because of the sauce and this tortilla bread, this pita bread. But it still wasn't bad because my dinner is going to only be 2 carbs. So for dinner, we are just going to make some sauteed broccoli and cauliflower with garlic, Italian seasoning, and we're just going to saute this, and I'm actually going to put some peas in this as well, so it's going to kind of be like dirty vegetables. I'm going to add a little bit of the Southwest seasoning to it, and then I'm going to add more garlic, of course. But that's it. We baked our salmon in the oven, so I just got 2 small little fillets that I'm going to put on here, and this dinner is only 2 net carbs. So also for this day, I had a tablespoon of unsweetened peanut butter, which was 0 carbs. And then I had half a bag of Smart popcorn, which I think is around about 4 carbs. So I still stayed within 18 grams of carbs, of 18 net carbs. So the breakfast was 10, my dinner is 2, and then the popcorn was 4, and then that's it. Alright, you guys, so here is breakfast. I am just going to cut up these turkey sausages, and I'm going to just cook all of them. That way the girls can have some too. And I'm going to make me 2 fried eggs with a slice of American cheese, because I don't have any more pepper jack cheese, but with American cheese, and then that's it. That is going to be my breakfast. All right, so I am just going to make my second meal of the day, which I'm just going to kind of make like a chipotle bowl with ground turkey. I'm going to use my Southwest seasoning because we know that I'm getting addicted to that seasoning. And I'm just going to put some oregano, Italian seasoning, and loads of garlic. I'm going to chop up some romaine heart lettuce, and I'm going to make some lemon pepper, cauliflower, and broccoli. And I got some tamales and green chilies. So I'm going to put those in there with a little bit of shredded cheese. And I'm going to just put like a tablespoon of blue cheese dressing inside the bowl. So I'll show you guys when I'm done. Okay, you guys, look how pretty this bowl is. So now I am just going to squirt like a tablespoon of blue cheese across the meat. And then I am going to sit down and enjoy this. I'm going to mix it all together. And this will be at the end of the video. So you guys, I thank you guys for sharing this space with me. I thank you for joining me. And as always, I thank you for watching. So I also wanted to show you my snack. I had pork skin. I had skinny pop, which was 4. So it was 7 carbs for my snack.